Welcome to Misty Curiosity. Have you ever wondered which are the deadliest animals on the planet? You might be surprised to learn that it's not always the large predators that are the most dangerous. In today's video, we are going to discover the most venomous and lethal creatures that exist, and we assure you that you will be amazed. You can't miss it. Let's start our tour. Did you know that some of the world's deadliest creatures are so small that you might not see them until it's too late? Pay attention, because meeting these animals could save your life. We begin with the Mont Desert scorpion, Laurus quinquestriatus, also known as the death scorpion. This small but deadly scorpion is found in the desert regions of Africa and the Middle East, in countries such as Egypt, Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, and Yemen. Its venom contains powerful neurotoxins that affect the human nervous system, causing severe pain, swelling, and weakness. In more severe cases, cardiac arrhythmias, insomnia, psychomotor agitation, convulsions, respiratory failure, coma, and death may occur. Children are especially vulnerable due to their lower body weight, reacting more severely to the venom. This scorpion is aggressive and attacks at the slightest threat, hiding near human dwellings, burrows, rocks, and trees. If stung, seek immediate medical attention. The marbled cone snail, Conus marmoreus, is another surprisingly lethal creature. This marine snail, a member of the cone snail family, uses its venom to hunt, and a bite can be fatal to humans. One of the characteristics of the marbled cone snail is its ability to camouflage and hide in its environment, which increases the risk of accidental exposure, especially for divers who may be attracted by its beauty. Symptoms of poisoning may include numbness, paralysis, and difficulty breathing, so seek immediate medical attention in case of a bite. The Brazilian wandering spider. Phonutria, also known as the banana spider, is one of the most venomous spiders in the world. Their venom contains powerful neurotoxins that are deadly, paralyzing, and killing prey. These spiders are known for their aggressiveness and quick response to threats, attacking if they feel cornered. Banana spiders sometimes enter homes and other residential areas, transported in packages or cargo from tropical countries, increasing the risk of accidental human bites. Symptoms of the bite may include severe pain at the site of the bite, swelling, reddening of the skin, loss of sensation, muscle spasms, loss of consciousness, and anaphylactic shock. This species was listed in the Guinness Book of World Records in 2007 for causing the most human deaths associated with spider bites. The stonefish, Cynancea, one of the most dangerous marine inhabitants, is almost indistinguishable on the seabed due to its excellent camouflage. This fish can look like a rock covered with algae or marine vegetation, making it difficult for people who accidentally step on it to notice it. Its sharp spines contain poison glands that can inject toxins when the fish is stepped on. Stonefish venom causes intense pain, swelling, redness, and inflammation in the affected area. The pain caused by the venom is so agonizing that sufferers may seek amputation of the affected area in an attempt to escape the agony. It is considered to cause the most intense pain known to humans. The blue-ringed octopus. Hapalochlaena spp, known for its bright blue rings, is one of the most venomous marine organisms. This octopus possesses a venom that contains powerful toxins called tetrodotoxins, which are neurotoxic and can cause paralysis and respiratory failure in its victims. A distinguishing characteristic of the blue-ringed octopus is its ability to change color and display bright blue and purple rings on its body when excited or threatened, serving as a warning that it is dangerous and potentially poisonous. The bite of a blue-ringed octopus may be painless and almost imperceptible, but its venom is extremely dangerous to humans. In severe cases, without medical assistance, the bite can be fatal, as the octopus carries enough venom to kill 26 adults in a matter of minutes. There is no known antidote for its venom, so seek immediate medical attention. The box jellyfish. Chironex fleckeri is famous for its extremely venomous sting and is considered one of the most dangerous marine organisms on the planet. This jellyfish has a small transparent bell that can reach a diameter of up to 30 centimeters and long tentacles that can reach up to 3 millimeters in length. In these tentacles are thousands of tiny stinging cells called nematocysts that are used for hunting and defense. When the box jellyfish encounters potential prey or a threat, it fires its stinging cells and releases venom, causing an intense burning sensation. The sting of a box jellyfish can be extremely painful and dangerous, having claimed about 6,000 lives in the last 60 years. Its venom is considered the most lethal in the world, affecting the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, accompanied by excruciating pain that causes victims to go into shock and drown or die from cardiac arrest. It is recommended to rinse the sting area with seawater, but not with fresh water, as it may activate the remaining stinging cells. The royal cobra, A. Ophiophagus hanna, is one of the deadliest snakes in the world. This snake, which can be found in the dense mountain forests of South and Southeast Asia, is capable of delivering a large amount of venom in a single bite, enough to kill an elephant or 8 people. King cobra venom is a neurotoxicant that attacks the nervous system, causing respiratory paralysis and death if immediate medical attention is not received. The bite of this snake is extremely dangerous and requires immediate medical assistance. It avoids encounters with humans and prefers to escape, but may become aggressive if it perceives a threat. When it feels threatened, it may expand its hood and produce characteristic sounds to intimidate or deter potential enemies. The taipan, Oxyuranus microlepidotus, also known as the fierce snake, has one of the most potent venoms in the world. This snake, found mainly in northern Australia, possesses a neurotoxic venom that acts quickly, causing paralysis, respiratory, and cardiac problems. The venom contains components that disrupt blood clotting, destroy blood vessels, and cause severe organ damage. The taipan is capable of delivering a large amount of venom in a single bite, enough to cause serious and potentially fatal complications. The poisoning can progress very rapidly and requires immediate medical assistance. Without timely medical intervention, the bite can have fatal consequences. The taipan generally avoids contact with humans and prefers to retreat, but may become aggressive in the face of threat or fear, become erect, hiss, and attack with little warning. The body poison dart frogs. Dendrobatidae, found in the tropical forests of Central and South America, are known for the alkaloid toxins in their skin, which are produced as a defense mechanism against predators. These toxins can be dangerous to humans, and some species of dart frogs have such strong venom that even a light touch to their skin can cause severe poisoning. Interestingly, the toxicity of frogs is due to their diet of certain insects and other invertebrates that are a source of toxins. Despite their danger, some indigenous peoples of Central and South America used dart frogs to make poison arrows used in hunting. However, this requires careful handling of the poisons and is part of cultural practices and traditions. It is important to note that most dart frog species are not aggressive in nature and do not pose a threat to humans unless disturbed or their natural habitat is altered. The pufferfish, Tetraodontidae, contains a powerful neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin in its internal organs, which can cause paralysis and respiratory arrest. The meat of some subspecies is a delicacy in Japan and Korea, but proper processing of pufferfish is a complex and technical process. If the fish has not been properly cooked, poison may remain in the flesh, especially in the liver, ovaries, and testicles. Eating improperly prepared pufferfish carries a high risk of serious poisoning and even death. Every year, dozens of deaths are reported from the consumption of this fish. In Japan, there are specially trained and licensed chefs who can properly prepare pufferfish and remove the poisonous parts, making it safe for consumption. However, if you attempt to cook pufferfish yourself without proper experience and knowledge, there is a serious health risk. It is especially important to be careful and avoid handling or consuming pufferfish unless you have the proper experience and knowledge. As we have seen, the real dangers in the animal world are not always the large predators, but the small, inconspicuous venomous creatures. Their venom is their main and lethal weapon, and they are the cause of many deaths in unsuspecting humans. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the world's deadliest animals. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the little bell so you don't miss any of our next content. See you next time.